Hey, it's Brad, and it's National Grand Marnier Day, among others. And with over 360 years of bartending experience, I'm here to show you how to make the perfect Grand Marnier cocktail. First, you carefully measure your ingredients. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. Ice. Pour the mix into the Flanagan's cup. Shake. Now while we let that cool, it's time to make the mac and cheese. Use a little teddy bear thing and strain over fresh ice. Dick straw. Now that we've covered all the other national days, there's only one left to do.